Hello all you Seagull Merlin music makers and M4 aficionados. It's Rob again. I'm back a little longer than I expected to be, a month later. I want to be doing weekly installments to add to the Merlin landscape out there, but this time I had to wait 30 days for this edition, so hopefully it's a good one. I'm going to go through Sir Bob Geldof's Boomtown Rats I Don't Like Mondays, and just a couple quick things before I get there. Last time around I listened back and found the plastic pick gave a really distracting clicking sound, a noisy clicking sound as I was playing, so thought of a few options. Obviously played with my nails, and that's always fine, but thought of ukulele players who sometimes play finger picking but also have felt picks. So thought my son has a lot of art supplies, and shout out to his website, his YouTube site, Psycho Leaf. Check it out when you get a chance. That's the shout out you asked for there. And he's got a lot of art supplies, and I thought if I grabbed some of his felt, put it around a pick, put some electrical tape, and bingo bango, we've got a felt pick. So makes a lot softer sound. Get back to me on what you think. Maybe too soft a sound, maybe takes away a little bit from the Merlin signature sound. Not sure. Again, interested to see what you think. And before we go too far on that, I'm going to check into, we're going to go through the song once through, and then we will break it down piece by piece. So here's Boomtown Rats, I Don't Like Mondays. So that's basically it. Verse, pre-chorus, second pre-chorus, chorus. There's a bridge thrown in there, and then a little outro in the final chorus. Chords we're using are D, A, G, and A. D open, A first fret, first string, first fret, third and fourth string, open second string, and G the third fret on the first string, second fret on the second string, and open on the third and fourth strings. So going from the start, the very first verse, actually all the verses follow the same format, starting with D, D, A, G, A is what each verse is, and basically it starts with 1, 2, 3, 4. So the open D, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the second fret on the first string, and still the open D, and then complete open D for the fourth strum, if you will. On the fifth strum, you're hitting the third fret on the second string, but that still counts as your D chord before we go to A. So well, again, 1, 2, 3, open, second fret, first string, open, third fret, second string. 1, 2, 3. And then the A, which we said before, first fret on the first, third, and fourth strings, open second string. And then take your forefinger off the third and fourth strings, still doing the A, but we're lifting it off. And then down to the G, which again, I said at the start, third fret, first string, first fret, second string, and then open third and fourth. So G, back to the A again. That's basically it. G, A. So we did that twice. Second time through, we add on the G, 1, 2, 3. On the fourth strum, you add your middle finger to the second fret, third and fourth string before we go down to the A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, second fret, third and fourth string, and then the A. So again. Middle finger to the third and fourth string, second fret, the A. Now we go into the pre-chorus, which is a G, A, D, and just before we go down to another G, we're going to hit the second fret on the first string. So D, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the fifth strum of the D, second fret, first string, and then back to the G. And then we're into the second pre-chorus, because you can see no reason, and it just sticks on the G the whole time. You're just going back and forth with the with your forefinger on the first fret, second string. Because there are no reasons, what reason do you need to? And then we go to the A. We're going to walk it up, and then back down. So walk it up to the second fret, third and fourth string, third fret, back down, second fret, first fret. So into the chorus, which is open D, tell me why so 4, tell me why I don't like first string, 3rd fret, 2nd string. Tell me why I don't like A chord, then the G, A chord again. It's basically the same chords as the verse, D, A, G, A. You're just going a little faster on the 2nd fret, 1st string, 3rd fret, 2nd string in the D. So tell me why I don't like 2nd fret, 3rd fret, Mondays. Tell me why I don't like Mondays. So you do it 2 times through, and the 2nd time through you stick on the G, D, A, G, A, D, A, G, and then we're going to switch your forefinger from the low G to the high G, and then walk that down. 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 1st fret, open to the A. So again, it's D, A, G, A. 2nd time, A, G, stick on it, change to the high G, and walk it down. 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 1st fret, open, A. The whole day, open on the 3rd and 4th string, still the A, down, all open D. That's basically it. You've got a bridge after the 2nd chorus, so it goes verse 1, chorus 1, verse 2, chorus again, except this time at the very end of the chorus, after you walk down the G, A, the whole day. We go to a B minor with the addition of your fourth finger on the 3rd and 4th string, 2nd fret, and your B minor is generally the 2nd fret, 1st string, 1st fret, 2nd string, and again we're adding the 2nd fret, 3rd and 4th string. Down, down, shoot it all, G. Same again, so twice. Back into the verse again, so verse 3, and there is a 4th verse. You don't play the chorus between the verse 3 and verse 4, you go straight in from the pre-chorus right back into the 4th verse, and then at the very end there's a little outro when you're finishing your chorus 2nd time through. So hey, why I don't like Mondays, tell me why I don't like Mondays. 2nd time through, when you hit the D, instead of going to our usual 2nd fret, we go up to this 2nd fret and walk it down. I don't like. So 2nd fret, 1st fret, open on the 3rd and 4th strings. And then G, same thing, 2nd fret, 1st fret, open. And then A, back to the D again. And the 2nd fret, 3rd and 4th strings, and the 3rd fret, back to the 2nd fret, and the A. And then one more time. And your regular. So again, we'll just go through that once more quickly. You do the last chorus, do it normally the first time. 2nd time through, you get to the D, and it's I don't like, I don't like, I don't like Mondays. Tell me why I don't like Mondays. I'm gonna shoot. Open D. Okay, that's it for this week. Hopefully I get the next edition before a month goes past, and hopefully we get some weekly updates. Tell me what you think about the felt pick, and be interested to hear what you think about the sound of the Merlin with something softer playing it. And we'll see you next week.